So good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again. We're going to talk about United. We're going to talk about Man United. Harry Maguire. We're going to talk about Marcus Rashford. And Man United have signed Andre Onana. So yes, plenty to talk to you about. Harry Maguire is left fuming after the captaincy has been taken away from him in what was seen as a really, really powerful piece of Ten Hag management. Okay, mate, good one. We're going to get my thoughts on it. You know, I just say what I think. But before we get into all of that, make sure you are smashing the like button. Nearly on 18 and a half. So keep flying the subs up as well. It's about 18.2, I think. So let's get on it. Let's push it up to 18 and a half real quick, people. And yeah, let's get straight into this. Yesterday, breaking news was Harry Maguire's captaincy has been taken away from him. He's actually tweeted this. After discussions with the manager today, he has informed me he is changing captain. He outlined his reasons to me, and whilst I'm personally extremely disappointed, I will continue to give my all every time I wear the shirt. I wanted to say a massive thank you to Man United fans for their brilliant support whilst I've been wearing the armband. Since the day I took the role 3.5 years ago, it's been a huge privilege to lead Manchester United and one of the proudest moments in my career to date. It's one of the greatest honours in a football club. I've done everything I possibly could to help Manchester United be successful on and off the field. I will always be grateful to Ole Gunnar Solskjaer for first giving me the responsibility, and I wish whoever now takes it on every success, and they will have my full support. Harry Maguire. Now, it sits there, and so it's probably his PR team that have written this, because I can't believe you can construct a sentence, if I'm being completely honest. But Ole Gunnar Solskjaer has blood on his hands giving this guy the captaincy for Manchester United first and foremost, right? Not only that, he sits there and says, where are we? It's one of the proudest moments in my career to date, yeah? Well, Harry, let me tell you, you've been relegated 4 times, mate, so I'm sure it is. How this guy even plays for United still is mad. It is actually mad. And when you look at all the captains Man United have had down the years, he's got to be in there as one of the worst. It's actually mad how Harry Maguire has been captain for that long at United. And I've seen all the PR out there. Ten Hag was ruthless, a ruthless decision. No, it weren't. He's had him on the bench half the season. I think he played about 30 times this season out of all competitions, right? And if it was ruthless and he was being ruthless, he would have walked straight into Man United as the manager and said, "You're not my captain." He is. That's ruthless. Yeah, that is ruthless. Not, "Oh, well, you're still going to be captain, Harry," but then not picking him for a lot of the games. That's not ruthless. That's cowardice, in my opinion. That's saying, well, don't rate you as captain, but I've only just got here, so I don't want to upset anybody, and we'll do it next year. Yeah, that is not ruthless to me. Yeah, ruthless would have been binning him as soon as he got there. And they can spin it and dress it up any which way they want. The fact and reality is, it's not a ruthless decision. A ruthless decision would have been putting him straight in the under-21s without the captain's armband. He's my captain now, you're not. Stick him in the under-21s and force him out. And then you get a whole load of people. "Oh, but poor Harry. Oh, we support you no matter what." How all the comments on that tweet, by the way, there's a lot of them. Yeah, not all. I'll take that back. It's not all. A lot of them. "Don't worry, Harry. We're with you. We'll continue supporting you, Harry. It's not fair how you've been treated, Harry." Who are these mutants? Where do they appear from? And why have they infested English football teams? It makes no sense. Arsenal get all of these weirdos. Man United get all these weirdos. 2 of the biggest 3 clubs in the country that are in the gutter. They're literally in the gutter. They have been infested with loser mentality. "Oh, you can't just put the player in there. It's unfair on the player." I'll tell you what's unfair. The fact that he's nicking a living. Because he's got no talent whatsoever in football. No footballing talent whatsoever. Right? And he's been getting paid over 200 grand a week at Man United. 80 million quid. Wow. Crazy. And he's still there. And you know what the maddest thing for me is? When I was looking for the tweet and that and typed his name into Google, I was shocked that he's 30 years old. 30. Now there's stories doing the rounds. Harry Maguire's super upset and wants to force an exit. No, he don't. What other football club in the country, or the world, in fact, would pay Harry Maguire what Man United are paying him? What other club can he go to that is bigger than Manchester United? Real Madrid? That's about it. Literally. That's about it. And I can't see them coming in for him anytime soon. He's linked to West Ham, which is probably about his level in the Premier League. You know, in fact, he ain't even a Premier League footballer. I don't know why I'm waffling. He is not a Premier League footballer. He is literally League One standard. He's got no skill set at all. No skill sets at all. Yeah, he's literally been nicking 200 grand a week. How this guy plays for England as well shows you the standard of English football. It is on its arse. But it is what it is. Let me know your thoughts and feelings on Harry Maguire and Ten Hag. Was it a ruthless decision, or is this just another load of PR waffle? Let's talk about PR because PR Ashford has signed a new contract. He has signed a new contract. Listen to this. Where are we? Let me get this. Fabrizio has tweeted this. Was it Fabrizio that tweeted it? This is funny. This is actually funny. I want to find the tweet. I want to find it. Smash the like button up, people. Smash the likes up. Sub to the channel. You know what? I think I took a screenshot of it. I can't find it. You can't actually load a tweet up on desktop anymore, which is weird. Very weird. But anyway, he has signed a new contract, and he is going to be staying at Man United for the foreseeable. Again, another one that is mad overrated, mad overhyped, and nicking a living. Yeah, literally, I don't get the hype about Marcus Rashford. I genuinely do not understand it. But again, you get thousands and thousands and thousands these people that latch onto a footballer rather than the good and great of the football club, and have decided that this is a great deal. Hence why they've given him the deal. Because if there was all these people saying, no, get him out, yeah, he wouldn't be there. Because there are better footballers on the planet than Marcus Rashford. But again, it's cheaper to keep Marcus Rashford than it is to go out and buy a world-class footballer. And that is why Man United have kept him. I can't find this tweet. But it was basically saying along the lines of he rejected other clubs to stay at Manchester United. No, he didn't. He didn't reject anybody because nobody wanted him. Oh, yeah, but Lee, PSG were looking at him. No, they weren't. Again, that is PR. And if you see how much money is spent every year by these football clubs on PR, you'll be shocked. If you actually Google how much PR is in terms of business, how much is spent on it in the UK every year, it's nearly 4 billion quid. Yeah, pretty much everything you read that comes out about these football clubs, Marcus Rashford rejected other clubs. No, he didn't. That is PR. That is to say, look at Marcus Rashford. He loves the club. He loves the club. Oh, he wanted to stay at United to be a legend. So now all of the millions of weirdos that have infested Man United's fan base are now going to sit there, gnawing him off, no matter what he does all season. He could drop a stinker every game. But now, yeah, but he picked Man United, mate. He picked United. He said no to PSG. Mad. It's actually insane. Bang average footballer, goes on a little streak every now and again, points to his head. What's that all about? Why are people doing this celebration, by the way? Do they realise how stupid they look? And again, most of this is PR. Yeah, doing this so he can get his photo opportunity, to upload it to Twitter, to upload it to Instagram, to get everyone going, oh, Rashford, Rashi, we love you, when he's scoring irrelevant goals that lead to nothing. It's unbelievable. I don't understand why people get so emotionally attached to an individual footballer at these football clubs. The football club is the star, not Marcus Rashford. Yeah, Marcus Rashford is a paid employee who, again, is nicking a living. And not very good. But again, English hype. Oh, he feeds kids. Oh, who cares? Is he any good at football? Not really. Genuinely mad. Anyway, let's go on to the next one. Leave your thoughts on PR Ashford down below. Let me know your thoughts on that. Is he worth the money? Because the money's just ridiculous. Oh dear. Don't let me get triggered. Let's continue. Andre Onana is signing for Manchester United. Here we go. And again, I find this hilarious, right? Because about 10 days ago, Fabrizio tweeted, the deal will be secured next week. But at that point, the second bid had been rejected. Onana's had his last meal with his teammates, blah, blah. Like, but they hadn't put a bid in that got accepted at that point. And again, this comes back to the deal was already done about 10 days ago, but they have to milk all of this because these journalists don't really know what's going on unless the club tell them. Let's be real. Yeah, Fabrizio may be different in that sense, but most of these journalists do not know anything unless they're told it by the club or an agent. Now, when it comes to these signings, the media are always a week behind. So the information we get fed out is from a week ago. Onana signed for Man United or agreed a fee. They agreed a fee with Milan about a week ago. But they have to milk every single little bit of it on social media to get all the masses going, oh my God, oh, Man United had a second bid rejected. Oh my God, just buy him, Get the money on the table, just buy him. Yeah, and it just milks it and milks it and milks it. So then when they get it done, it makes the club look, oh, the club paid the money. The player chose us. All PR. It's all PR. Listen, he's a very good goalkeeper, by the way. And I do think he'll do well for United. And I do think he makes Man United better. But it just makes me laugh. It just makes me laugh. They're looking to get him on the pre-season tour in America, which I believe they're playing us. I think they are playing us, aren't they, next Saturday? So, listen, it'll be done. He's got to get a visa to get on that tour. So, depending on how quick the visa comes through, which, again, it's Man United Football Club, I'm sure they'll get the visa fast-tracked. It's Man United. That's how it works, isn't it? But here's what it is. Listen, decent goalkeeper, makes Man United better. Happy days for them. Let me know your thoughts on Harry Maguire, PR Ashford, and Onana. And yeah, make sure you check out the video on the main channel. I'll be dropping a video on that in a minute. And make sure you are smashing the like button. Make sure you are subscribed. And do share the content around people. We're out of here. Adios. Ciao.